Kuki Human Rights Council KHRC has called on 10 Kuki MLAs in Manipur to step down from the assembly, saying their resignations are necessary to push the community's demand for a separate administration. In a statement issued today, KHRC said MLAs Letpao Haukip, Nemsa Kipgen, Kimnyo Hangshing, Wungzagin Warte, Lalyangmang Khaute, Chinglunthang Manlun, Paulian Lal Haukip, Ngusanglur Sanate Lezzamang Haukip and Haukolet Kipgen must take a clear stand at a time when the community continues to reel from the ethnic violence that began in May 2023. In the statement, KHRC argued that remaining in the assembly sends the wrong message to Kuki public. While asserting that the community wants action, not statements, KHRC maintained that the Kuki and Meitei communities have been living separately since the 2023 conflict and that the MLAs have a responsibility to reflect that reality in their political decisions. According to the KHRC, the resignations would signal unity and strengthen ongoing demands for a political arrangement that guarantees the community's security and rights. It urged the legislators to put the people's interest first and warned that the Kuki public would judge them on the choices they make now.